All right, everyone, for this pixel art, you are going to use this Google Sheets template. And basically how you use this is you can click in any of these boxes, and then what you need to do to change it to a color is you just need to type the letter above the color that you want. So for example, if I wanted this box to be red, I would type an H. So I'm just going to type H, then click enter or return on my keyboard, and it will turn that box to red. Now, some neat things that I can do is I can also, if I wanted multiple boxes to also be red, I can change that box to a red. And then do you see that little blue square there? I can pull that left to right or up and down, and I can change as many boxes to red as I want. And that will make creating my art a little bit quicker for me. Okay. If I didn't want that, I could also just click delete or backspace on my keyboard to delete a color. Now I'm going to make a pixel portrait. That means a picture of me. So I'm going to start with this N color, and I am going to drag that left to right and up and down to make the color of my face. My skin is kind of peachy color. That looks like a good size. I can always make it bigger or smaller later. If I didn't want it to be that wide, I could select these and then delete or backspace. All right, now I'm going to create my eye color. I think I need to have some white boxes first. So what I'm going to do is type in F for white, and I'm actually just going to drag this over and then down, and I want that to be about 3 by 3 boxes, so 9 boxes total. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, F, and then drag it up and down, left to right, so that it's 9 boxes. And then I think on the inside, I'm going to put a bluish color, maybe that T. My eyes are blue, and I'm going to drag that 4 by 4. And then I want to put a little black dot for the pupil, so I'm just going to put an A and an A. All right, that looks great. I'm going to put a mouth. I can do whatever type of design I like. Maybe I will use, maybe let's try this eye color. Yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a smile that just kind of goes across like this. Yeah, I like that. And then I'm going to choose this color for my hair, this L. And I'm going to type that L in, and I want to put it down and to the right to start. And then I think I want to add more here. I'm going to add a little bit more here. Just didn't quite get that. Let me drag that again. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so I'm going to keep building up my portrait. I can add tons of details to this. I can add a neck as well. Like I can add some boxes down like this to make the start of my neck, and then I can put in my shoulders and the color of my shirt. I can even put background colors in if I like. The art is totally mine to decide what I create. Look at your project slides, and then you can see some examples here of how some different artists put different details into their work. Like this one has a rainbow background, a striped shirt. This one has some letters in it that say art with an exclamation point, glasses, barrettes in the hair. So you can be totally creative with the things that you want to put in your pixel portrait. All right, when I'm done with my pixel art, I'm going to go to the directions page, and the directions tab right here tells me when I'm done, what do I need to do? I can remove the grid lines. That means I can take away the color of the lines of the grid if I wanted to. And then it tells me how I can print my work or download my work. I can go file print. I think I can also download a picture of this by going file download, and then I can download it. Well, I can download it as a PDF, and then I can put my art into my slides presentation. I can also just take a screenshot of my work like this and share my work as well. All right, friends, happy art creating. Can't wait to see your pixel art.